Good evening, dear children. Welcome back to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Gurvayur. Children, chapter 13, Motion and Time, is completed. I hope all of you have completed the notes and studied the notes. So today we will discuss about a new chapter, chapter 14, electric current and its effect. So you know that electric current is the most important part of our life. Most of the electrical equipments run on electric current. The lightning of the bulb is the most common example of an electric current. The simplest source of an electric current is an electric cell. And in class 6 we have studied about an electric cell. An electric cell has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. So in this chapter, first of all, we will learn symbols of electric component. Now let us learn about symbols of electric components. Electric circuit component symbols are used in circuit diagram. Some electric components can be represented by symbols. You may come across different symbols for these components in different book. We shall be using the symbols shown here. Now look at the symbol carefully. If we talk about electric cell, the longer line, here you can see the longer line represents the positive terminal and the thicker and the shorter one is the negative terminal of the cell. Now if we talk about bulb, electric bulb, an electric appliance is containing filament that glows when the current is provided. Next is switch. For a switch, the on position and the off position are represented by the symbol. So as you can see here, this is the on position and this is the off position. Next is wire. It is represented by a straight line. It provides a medium for the flow of current in a circuit. Usually wire is made of copper coated with plastic covering. Next is a battery, a combination of two or more cells. That is known as a battery. Now, for some of the activities, we may need more than one cell. Many devices such as torches, transistor, toys, TV, remote control use batteries. To perform an activity, how can we connect the cells to prepare battery? You can make a cell holder as shown in picture using wooden blocks, two iron strips and rubber band. Now let us make the electric circuit. Do you remember what is an electric circuit? The path followed by electric current from the positive to negative terminal of the cell is called an electric circuit. Do you remember that we made an electric circuit with the help of a safety pin? Now in this case, the bulb is not glowing. Why? Because the switch is in off position. But in this case, the bulb is glowing. Why? Because the switch is in on position. Now let us draw an electric circuit diagram using symbols. This is an electric cell, switch, bulb and wire. When the switch is in the on position, what is this? This is a switch and it is in the on position. The circuit from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal is complete. The circuit is then said to be closed and the current flows throughout the circuit instantly. What about this? Here the circuit is not complete. So if there is a break in the circuit, it becomes incomplete. Such an incomplete circuit is called an open circuit. In class 6th, we have learned that in the bulb there is a thin wire called the filament, which glows when an electric current passes through it. When the bulb gets fused, its filament is broken. You might have noticed that a glowing electric bulb becomes warm. So what is the reason? For that, in the next lecture video, we will learn more about heating effect of electric current. Children, today we discussed about symbols of electric components. Children, I have attached the URL video and notes. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook. And there will be a test paper, so all of you attend the test paper and post it. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.